So I want to show you a couple items I received from Kastar. I purchased these myself, and I just want to show you what they look like. This is to replace a replacement battery for a digital camcorder. And this is how it comes. So the battery came just like this here, as you can see. Perfect replacement, absolutely works perfectly, charges well, no issues whatsoever. This is how the battery comes, just like you see here. And this is the actual charger. Let me just show you what that looks like. It's portable, it's small, it's compact, as you can see here. It does have a pop-out outlet plug. You plug this right into the outlet, so this is portable and charges the battery, no problem whatsoever, and slides right in and just locks super easy, just like that. So we're working with this company quite a bit. I buy all their products all the time, and I absolutely love them. I do purchase all my items from this company. They do not give them to me, so this is a fair and transparent review. I do use these all the time and had no issues whatsoever. And this is what it looks like all around. So you can see, again, pop-out charger, easy to use, functional, compact, and efficient. Thank you for watching the review. Appreciate your time.